Hey guys, good morning and how are you all doing? It's been a while. Sorry, I've been missing action for a while now. School has been tough. Anyway, today I have an interesting content for you guys. Today I'm going to give you guys a house tour. Yeah, my house tour. I got a new house, guys. So today I'm going to show you guys around. It's not a big house actually, it's just a normal one self-con apartment that I got for myself. So I'm going to show you guys everything. It's not furnished yet. Yeah, I have not furnished it yet because I'm still quite busy. But anyway, let's go see how it looks like. So this is the front door. I did not want to open this door because outside is quite messy. It's a new house, so outside is quite messy. But this is the front door. This is where you come in from. And when you come in, the first thing you see is the living room. Yeah, the first thing you see is the living room. And this is how the living room is looking at the moment. Yes, this is how it's looking at the moment. Nothing is here yet because, like I said, I have not furnished it. I just started moving in. So yeah, this is how big the living room is. Yeah, and immediately after the living room you see the dining. Yeah, still empty. Like I said, I've not bought anything in it. See the dining room, it's quite small but it's manageable for a single person, a student. Yeah, so after the dining you see this door or the space. Yeah, so you see this space, and at this space we have 3 doors. 1, 2, I don't know if you see it but it's dark. 2, and the 3rd door, this door right here is for the toilet. This other one is for the kitchen, and this last one is for the room. Okay, let's go see the room. This is how the room is looking currently. Yeah, this is how it's looking currently. I have not brought in my stuff yet, but this is how it's looking currently. At the moment, it's not quite big and it's not quite small. It's just a normal size. It has reasonable space, and yeah, it has a very huge wardrobe. I like the wardrobe, it's nice. Yeah, and see my stuff that I was charging. Yeah, so this is how the room is looking at the moment. I have not gotten anything yet. Yeah, hopefully soon I will. Now let's move on to the next item on our list will be the toilets. So this is currently the state of the toilet. Everything in this toilet does not belong to me, but yeah, this is the state of the toilet. This is how it's looking right now. It's a very small toilet and bathroom, but one thing I like about this house, it has a very good source of light for content, and I love it so much. I can easily film content in my bedroom, content in my room, any part of this house. I can literally film content because it has good source of light, and that's the #1 top of my list. Let's go see the next part of the house. Our next item is the kitchen. The kitchen, like I said, lights. Yeah, I'm not using any artificial light at the moment. I'm just using only the sunlight coming from this window. Yeah, the kitchen is one of my favorite places in this house. Yeah, everything here in this kitchen does not belong to me as well, but this kitchen is going to be good for content, trust me. Look at this place. Very nice for cooking content and all other good stuff. Yeah, so this is how the kitchen is looking currently. Like I said, it's a new house, so this is how it's looking currently. The kitchen is not small, it's okay, it's a normal size. I mean, it's, yeah, it also has this cupboard very huge cupboard. The cupboard is very huge, and kitchen also have a back door, which I will not be opening as well because outside is quite messy. Yeah, it has this back door and a passage as well. Yeah, this is a kitchen window that has beautiful sunlight. Yeah, so like I said, it's just a one room self-con, one room, parlor, kitchen, toilet, and bathroom. Yeah, but the house is very spacious, which I love, and it has good lighting, very good lighting. Imagine, see the way it's very bright here. I just can't wait to start filming my kitchen content or my vlogs, amazing content here. It's so beautiful. Anyway, yeah, so start typing congratulations to me because your girl has a new house already. Hope you enjoyed this little house tour. Be expecting my room tour. I'm going to show you guys my room tour, my former room tour in my next video, so be expecting that, okay? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this little house tour. Like I said, it's just a small house, a parlor, room, toilet and bathroom with good lighting. Don't forget that, with good lighting. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys my former room tour in my next video, so be expecting that video soon. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I furnished this apartment, so be expecting that soon as well. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching and thank you for sticking around. Please, if you have not subscribed, please do that before leaving this video, okay? Thank you guys.